So you have your ring and you have a seam here, and then on the inside it's kind of messy and you want to make it look nice. So what I use is my Dremel with a Cratex wheel on it, and this one's worn down already some. This is what they look like. I get the fine, and then I also get medium if I really need to sand something down, but the fine usually works really good on everything, and it doesn't take away too much metal, but it makes a nice makes it nice and smooth. So if you don't have a Dremel, I highly recommend you get one. And then these are probably only about 50 cents each. So I'm going to smooth out this seam and just show you how easy that is to do. And then it's all nice and smooth in there, and you just have left to, polish it and pickle it or whatever you want to do, but that kind of takes away the evidence of the seam.